Welcome YouTube to Air Fryer Tuesday. We're back again. Here's the Fridays potato skins, and we're gonna do them right in the air fryer. All right, YouTube. Here's those potato skins. You can tell they're frozen, and like I said, there's the Fridays, and even on the back they give you air fryer directions and conventional oven. It says not intended for microwave, so we can definitely do the air fryer. So let's put them in the basket and get started. All right, YouTube, so they're in that basket and we have a liner. That saves a lot of cleaning. So let's go right to the air fryer. All right, YouTube, so we're gonna put that in there. 15 minutes at 360. See you when it's done. All right, YouTube, we're 7 minutes into that. Look at those. So they're doing well. Push it back in, let them finish off at 7 more minutes. And there's the final product, YouTube. Look how cheesy that is. Look at that. That's perfect. But that's in the air fryer. This is Air Fryer Tuesdays. Please subscribe, hit the like, and I'll bring you many more videos on Air Fryer Tuesday, even Air Fryer Thursday. Talk to you later. Dan Soy Cook. Love you. Bye-bye.